Hello friends, a good day to all of you. I am Dr. Sirish Nelivigi, Director, Nelivigi Eye Hospital, Bellandur, Bangalore. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Let There Be Sight. Today we are going to discuss one of the common topics and one of the most asked topics in our clinic as to how to put the eye drops in the eye. We are ending up with putting eye drops for most of the conditions, whether it is a post-operative situation or any eye problem. If there is somebody to help us out in putting the eye drop, the task becomes easy, but many a times we are left to fend for ourselves, and it is in such a scenario that I am going to tell you how to open the eye drop and what is the precaution and how to put the eye drop. Usually the eye drop bottle comes like that when it is in an unopened form. It comes with a small ring, as you can see here. First, a new eye drop bottle, you need to apply a little bit of force to open this. So it will make a click sound like that, as you heard. So once the click sound happens, that means you have effectively untwisted the bottle and opened it up. Then many bottles will come with a ring, which, as you can see here, this ring will have to be removed from the base and taken off, because this ring is put as a protection against piercing there. Quite a few drops or the eye drop bottles will have a pre-pierced opening nowadays, and some of them may not have it. If you can check it out very simply by pressing it like that and giving a slight pressure. When you see an eye drop falling onto your finger like that, that means there is a pre-pierced opening which already exists. However, in some situations such an opening may not be there. In such a scenario, please do not use office pins or your hairpins to make a piercing into the eye drop bottle. Instead, there will be a piercer which is available in the cap. So all you need to do is place the cap and then tighten it very tightly. Once you do it, you will be able to pierce it using the sterile cap and then open it like that. Now coming to the process of putting the eye drop. When it comes to this, a simple and effective way of doing it is just tilt up your head like that and hold the lower part of your lid. So this is the portion that I am exactly holding here, and then pulling it down. Lift up the head and then place the eye drop in such a way that you are able to see the tip of the bottle with your eye. Once you do that, you give a gentle pressure like this, and then the eye drop has gone into the eye. If it is in the corner of the eye, just blink a few times. You should be effectively able to make the eye drop get into the eye. Whatever excessive eye drop that comes out or flows out like this, you just have to take a dry tissue and then dab it in the corner of the eye. If the eye drop is in contact with the skin, with some of the eye drops, you might have a crusting of the eyelashes over there. This is the most effective and simple way of using the eye drop. Thank you very much for listening and hope this video was useful to you.